hanging out with my pard here. Had a little trouble with his musket. As he was cleaning it, his ramrod broke off in the middle of his barrel. Let's take a look at this.
Modern aluminum 3-piece cleaning rod. Putting it down, got a patch on it, and right here where this ends.
Yep.
So this far down the barrel.
Let's see about where that's at positioned at the barrel.
About that much of a cleaning rod.
All right.
And a patch.
So what have you done so far to try to remove that from the barrel?
We heated the barrel, put some hot water down there in the hopes that the barrel would expand enough that maybe we could just
pour her out. Yep.
And it's in there pretty solidly.
All right. What's the technique for today? What are we going to try?
Today we're going to try compressed air.
So basically take the nipple off and try to put a couple hundred pounds of compressed air.
We're going to remove this piece and try to get compressed air to shoot it
out the end of the barrel.
That's our hope.
Air compressor is stopped charging. Let's hone the gauge and see what we're at for pressure here. We're sitting at about 160 to 180 psi. This is a larger, a little more industrial size air compressor. My guess is that this is enough air to clear the piece. Let's go see what our parts have to say. Corporal, we're sitting at 160 pounds of pressure, which is about
Let's hope that does.
Yeah. What's your predictions? You think that's gonna clear the barrel?
I sure hope so.
I don't think that's at 160 pounds.
Well, it's got trouble.
Yeah, having a little failure here. Doesn't seem like we're getting the full 160 pounds. We do have a regulator in line that may be limiting some of our air pressure.
Let's see if we can find out if this has given any at all. No, I don't think so.
No.
I think it's about the same spot it was.
The compressed air didn't work. The volume of air, I think, was very well under the maximum that we looked at. So it was a strong breeze, not enough to blow it out. The next thing we've done is we've removed the nipples. We're going to try to put about 5 grains of powder under there and see if we can discharge it with the 5 grains. So go ahead and put what we believe to be 5 grains in there. Try it. Did not come out. Yep. All right, pards, we're going to try yet once again. We got 5 grains of powder or less down the barrel. Let's see if we can pop it loose. Nope, no go.
Nope, no go.
Well, at this point, I think we've kind of
moved at all.
run out of options for what we can do. So probably about this time we'll take it in the gun shop. If anyone else has got some ideas that would have helped out, why don't you let us know?
Gun shop. Thanks, everybody.